Today we are going to review King Premium Door Lock branded as DoorEye. I bought it from Amazon at rupees 505 per piece. I ordered 3 pieces. Uh, let's open the box and see what is inside. Okay, it is 125 8 lever lock made at Aligarh. This is the stopper, bolts, keys, and the lock itself. It is a brass finish, but it is made of iron, I think. There are little screws for holding this key lock. Okay, so I have to uh, hire an expert to install it at the back of my door, and let's see how it works. I have already installed this DoorEye lock with the help of a carpenter, but the thing I would like to share with you is that the bolts that are provided were very short, and that's why I have to make hole and punch into it to get hold of this. So it is, the bolts are very short, the locks are a little bit clinky, it is not smooth either, it is little hard to turn the keys, so it's making clinking sound. So I think the locks are not of that much premium quality. It is so, but 505 rupees for per lock. I think the quality is a little bit poor. The locks are clinky, not smooth either. The bolts that are provided are very short, so we have to buy a separate screws because I have to install two more locks. Okay, so thank you for watching.